So the balanced strong two club opener, that's what you think, right? If I asked you, what do you know about the strong two club bid? Or what has your opponents told you about it? What has your partner told you about it? What have you read about the strong two club opener? And usually I get back that I'm showing 22 plus total points. But that's not the rest of the story. The rest of the story is what we're going to cover in this lesson. If you are balanced or semi-balanced, all right, semi-balanced means you aren't quite balanced, right? Balanced hands are our 5-3-3-2 hands. And 4-3-3-3 hands. And 4-4-3-2 hands. Those are shaped hands that if you open two clubs with these three shapes, you need 22 plus total points. So you could have 21 high card points plus a link point for that 5-card suit and the 5-3-3-2 shape to get to 22 plus points. Semi-balanced are hands like 5-4-2-2, 6-3-2-2. Generally, semi-balanced you want to think of as hands with two doubletons. And if you have that shape, you're going to treat that, if this 6-card suit is a minor, now we're going to look at that too, so because there's differences between majors and minors when you open a strong two club bid. If that 6-card suit's a minor, we're going to treat it as a semi-balanced hand, and you need the 22 plus total points. That's one world of our strong two club bid. The other world is when you're unbalanced. And when you're unbalanced, you don't even count your high card points. Now, I know it's fun to count high card points. I don't really like counting high card points. Some of you guys have noticed in some other classes. We generally like to count the high card points. It gets us excited. There's a natural endorphin that's released when we get up to, 18, 19, 20 points in high card points. But you don't have to count high card points if you're unbalanced, right? If you have a hand with a 5-card suit or longer major, or any kind of singleton hand or void hand, right? Unbalanced shapes. None of these shapes that we've got over here. What you're counting are tricks. And for those that have taken the preemptive class, we talked a lot about it's the playing tricks that determine whether you open a preemptive bid and how high you open, what level you open that preemptive bid to. The strong two club opener, when you have an unbalanced hand, is based on tricks, not points.